Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do peanut butter cookies. This is a very simple recipe with just 2 ingredients. Our first ingredient is peanut butter. I'm going to take a cup. Our second ingredient is sugar, so I'm going to take a cup of sugar. Now let us mix the peanut butter and the sugar. Give a nice stir. We are going to beat this properly. Now let us use an electric beater or a fork spoon to beat this. You can use any type of hand mixture for this. Using a hand mixture or a fork spoon will take a little extra time than the electric beater. After some 2 to 3 minutes it will become thick like this. Now gather everything together. You will get a nice soft cookie dough. Now let us take a small amount of dough and make a ball. I am going to make the cookies with and without oven. So those who don't have oven, you can use idli plates like this. Flatten the ball gently like this on the idli plate. This has to be little thick, so don't make it so flat. If you want to make some designs, you can make it like this. Our cookies are ready to be baked now. Don't use water in the idli steamer. Let this be on high flame for 1 or 2 minutes for the pan to get heated. And then lower the flame completely and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. And for oven, you have to preheat it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let us start shaping the cookies until the oven gets heated. As far as this dough is concerned, you don't need to use any oil because peanut butter has lots of oil in it. Even greasing is unnecessary because it contains lots of oil and it will come out while baking. And here my little one has made a flat cookie. And this will get baked more quickly than the other cookies, so I have to take it out in between while baking. If you want, you can bake this plain or do some designs like this. And here my oven got preheated. Let me place the tray inside. We are going to bake the cookies at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And here our oven cookies are ready. We can take it out. This has come out very well. It is perfect and crispy. And this is a small flat cookie which I took it little earlier. And this got baked nearly 5 minutes before the baking time. Now we'll move on to the idli maker. So here the cookies are ready. We can take it out. This will be very crispy and will taste so good. So our peanut butter cookies are ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe the channel.